Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. From the first video session, we are continuously talking related to digital marketing, how it provides various advantages to the marketers in order to market their products and services, various channels of digital marketing and various trends in digital marketing. From that all, one thing we get to know that it is really very difficult to survive without digital marketing while marketing particular product or service. But still, before the evolution of digital marketing, the concept of marketing was exist there, and at that time before evolution of digital marketing, the marketers used to make various forms of offline marketings, and by using that offline marketing strategies, they were used to earn a lot. So now in this period, in this era of digitalization, along with the digital marketing, the marketers should also apply the traditional forms or offline forms of marketing, so that it will be helped to market their product on either platforms, like on online platforms as well as offline platforms. So that's why it is very important from the perspective of marketers that from the perspective of marketers to know what are the different offline marketing channels available which they can use along with the digital marketing channels without spending a lot. So here in this video session, we are going to discuss various offline marketing strategies which can be utilized at very small budget but has the effective and much more potential to grasp the attention of the customers. So let's start. Here I listed 10 different offline marketing strategies which we are going to discuss one by one. The very first is distribute business cards. Distribution of business cards is many marketers do not consider it as a specific channel for marketing because we take it casually. But in actual practices, distributing business card is not at all a casual practice for casual practice. It can be considered as an effective channel for making offline marketing. But here the businessman can share their business cards to their potential customers, and they can paste it at various public billboards and public notice boards. They can give these cards to the receptions of their prospective business company. So here there are various ways by which the businessman can distribute his business cards to different types of customers. Though the number of targeting customers is small in this case of distribution of a business card, but still here the businessman can directly target the prospective and potential customer. So distributing business card is one of the important and one of the interesting channel of offline marketing by which one can market the product or service without spending a much more on marketing practices. The next one is donate gift certificates or products as a contest prizes. Many a times you might have observed that in various competition or public contest, the businesses gives product or services or the coupons of their services as the prize of that contest. This is nothing but one of the channel of offline marketing strategy by which they can not only create the identity of their product or service, but also they can communicate with they can create an image in the eyes of customers related to the community responsibility. By doing this or by practicing this offline marketing strategy, they can create a positive image in the minds of customers, and they can show that how they are responsible for in the growth of community. So this tactics helps in creating image as well as creating a goodwill related goodwill of a company. In the next channel of offline marketing strategy is sponsor a community event. Sponsoring a community event is a little bit similar to the donation of gifts, but here the company or businesses actually take participation in the events by giving some amount of donation. If the financial state of company is good and it has enough money for marketing their products and services, then sponsorship is a very good activity for marketing, for offline marketing. In the cricket also, you have observed that there are so many companies like Byju's, Oppo, Vivo, which actually sponsor that match and promote their products and services. This same happens in case in case of small level businesses. So sponsorship can also be considered as one of the effective way for offline marketing strategy. The next strategy is participation in trade shows. Now, for me, this participation of trade show not only gives you opportunity to promote your products and services, but also it helps you to identify the strategies applied by the competitors. Because in case of trade show, the various competitors of belongs to particular industry gather together. They promote their products to the customers or to the visitors of their stalls. They share their pamphlets, leaflets with the customers. So here the business can get an opportunity to know how the competitor is marketing his product, what is the style of the pamphlets they are sharing with their customer, how they have drafted their brochures, how they have drafted their leaflets and all, and what are the we can say what are the benefits they are giving to the customers in order to increase their sales. So trade show is completely a good opportunity and a good place where marketers or the small businessman can not only sell their products but also knows the strategies of the competitors. We all know that Pragati Maidan from in Delhi is a very famous place for where different types of trade shows organized by the Indian government. CPHI is one of the trade show organized in various parts of the world in which majorly pharmaceutical companies presents their products and market their products. So this participation in trade show is a very good platform and very good strategy for marketing the products or services offline. The next is speak at events. This speak at events is nothing but giving lecture or giving seminars at a place where huge number of potential customers gather together. This speaking at events can also many marketers do not consider this speaking at event as a channel for marketing, but in actual practice, with the help of speech, the marketer or the head of the company can promote its product and can can interact with a huge amount of population and can share their views, ideas, and the details about the product of their products and services. So speaking at events is it's a good opportunity and it's a good strategy of offline marketing, where the marketers need to pay a lot money, but by using this strategy they can target huge amount of customers simultaneously. The next is, after speaking of events, there is a celebrate success strategy. Here, making celebration of the whatever success company makes helps in creating the positive image in the minds of customers. Here, whenever they celebrate the success of their company, whenever they celebrate the partnership with their partners, or whatever achievements they are gaining, that celebration becomes popular, because it helps in creating publicity, and by that publicity customers and consumers come to know about that company. So celebration of success can be used as a successful offline marketing strategy. Here, the businesses can impress their employees as well as their potential customers, because here by the celebration employees will get motivated, and with 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 the same tactics they can show the customers that how we are open minded, how we help the community, how we impress our and impress as well as motivate our employees. So by that a positive image creates, and that helps in increasing the goodwill of the company. So celebrating success is also a very good platform, is a very good strategy for offline marketing. The next is the communicate with local print publication. We many a times we observe that many huge organizations make various press conferences, and in that press conferences they share their success, they share whatever changes they made in their organization, and what many a times they launch the products, their new product line, their new services in various press conferences. So by using these press conferences and by communicating with local print publications, the image and the image of the company directly strikes in the mind of customers. Customers come to know by reading that news articles, and by knowing that by hearing that press conferences, and get the knowledge about the company. So for making publicity of the company, using various press conferences and communicating with local print publications can help the businesses to market their products and services. I know nowadays print media is the value of print media is decreasing because of the arrival of digitalization, and because of the increase in trends of online news channels. But still there is one place there is one unique place for print media in the minds of customers. So here the company can utilize this channel for communicating with customers and letting them know about their products and services. Now, the eighth strategy by which the company or the businesses can make the marketing of their products and services is made cold calls. Made cold calls is nothing but the telemarketing. It is there are certain limitations of telemarketing that it is annoyed the customers, but still it is observed that there are some positive points of telemarketing. Telemarketing helps to communicate with the potential customers directly, and the rate of conversion of customers is high in case of telemarketing. So here, by using telemarketing, the businesses can market their products and services. So this is also a very good offline marketing strategy from the perspective of small businesses. And the next is saying snail mails. This is the age of emails. You might receive a lot of mails on daily basis, but still there is some unique importance to the snail mails. These snail mails are nothing but the mails made by using various postal services as well as various courier services. So here, by using these snail mails, the company can share or can send his leaflet, his prospectus, or the letter which is emphasizing customers in, and which is impressing customers for buying their products and services. So also, by using these snail mails, company can provide samples to the customers. So for these all purposes, this snail mails can be used as an effective offline strategy. While talking about snail mails in B2B transaction, that is in business to business transactions, snail mails plays very important role along with the emails, but while sending the physical sample of the product, or while sending the hard copy documentations to their prospective customers, snail mails plays very important role. So that's why for marketing product in offline manner, snail mails has its unique value. The last strategy of offline marketing is renewing packaging and presentations. By renewing the existing packaging of the products, the marketer can create the new image of related to their products in the minds of customers. Many a time it happens that due to unattractive packaging, the sales of product decreases, and when the marketers come to know this about this all, that no, there is problem in their packaging, so and when they try to change it, so renewing their packaging and presentations can helps in marketing their products to the customers. So these are the different channels or different strategies which cost very less, and we can say that it cost equal to the digital platforms. So by utilizing these strategies, the marketer can effectively market their products or services on the offline platforms. So this is all about the offline marketing strategies. I hope you understand it, and whenever you experience any of the marketing strategies I mentioned over here, you will realize that how offline marketing strategies actually make effective role in the function of marketing. In the next video session, we are going to start the third module of this paper, Digital and Social Media Marketing. Till then, please go through this all previous video sessions, and be safe, keep learning. Thank you.